Hi, I'm Teddy Burris, your Google Workspace and Gmail strategist. I got to ask this question. Using either Google Workspace or Gmail, how do we make an email and turn it into a task? And I'm going to show you what you can do in this video. But before I do me a favor, do yourself a favor. Hit that subscribe and notify button because I create these videos just for you. So let's take an email I got. So here's an email I got from Teddy Burris. This came in from Teddy Burris, TL Burris at Burris Consulting, to me, BCI Testing. So I maybe want to do something in this email. So I've got to remind myself. A lot of times what people do is they'll mark it as unread and leave it in there as unread. Sometimes what they'll do is they'll go to their calendar and say, check out email from Teddy. They'll put a calendar invite. It says, check out the email from Teddy. But there's other ways of doing it as well. And the other way is to turn this email into a task. Now, the way to do that is you open the email, and while you're looking at it right here, add to task. And when you add to task, there it is, forward Google Alert. I can change that text if I want to, and I can say, review Google Alert. I got to learn to spell correctly. And there's the email associated with this task. And when do I want to do it? I can say, I can click right here and say I want to do it tomorrow, the 5th, and maybe I want to do it by 9 a.m. And I put that in there and then okay. And now it's in as a task. And better than it being there as a task, if I go look at my calendar, there it is right there because I'm showing task. Here's my main calendar. And here I'm showing task. And there it is there, review Google Alert. And when I click on that, not only does it tell me review the Google Alert, but here's the view related email. I click on that. Here's the email that started the whole conversation. And off to the right is the task that I have to do so I can execute upon this however I want. And when I'm done, I can just hit this checkbox mark completed. And then I'm done with it. And now, even better than that, when I go back to my calendar, it's got a strikeout line through it, which means I have completed it. But it all starts right here with looking at any email I want to look at. And when I look at that email, I can just right here click on Add to Task. I'm Teddy Burris, your Google Workspace and Gmail strategist, trainer, and coach. And I hope this is helpful for you in managing your tasks.